The future of name, image, and likeness in college sports. What do athletes and parents need to know if their son or daughter is a college athlete or dreaming of becoming one? What I'm about to share could literally change the course of their life. Imagine this: your child is playing the sport they love, basketball, football, and instead of just worrying about grades and practice schedules, they are signing deals that pay for tuition, set them up financially, and even build a career beyond sports. That is the reality of name, image, and likeness, NIL, and it's not coming in the future. It is happening right now. So stick with me because in this video, I am going to break down where name, image, and likeness is headed. It really offers life-changing benefits, and it can offer a strong, safe, and profitable career, and the steps you and your athlete can take today will build a strong, safe, and profitable brand. Not long ago, the rules in college sports were very strict. Athletes could not earn a dime off of their own name, image, or likeness. They couldn't accept sponsorships, they could not sign autographs for money, and they could not use their talent to build a business. And in 2021, that changed forever. The NCAA finally opened the doors, and now college athletes and even high school athletes in some states can profit from their name, image, and likeness. The result? We are now seeing athletes sign 6- and 7-figure deals. They're partnering with national brands and building online followings bigger than some professional players. And here's the truth most families don't realize: you do not have to be the star quarterback to benefit. This opportunity is bigger than just the top 1%. So why does this matter for your family and your student athlete? Why should you care? Let's get real, college is expensive. Most athletes are not getting full rides, and even those that do, those scholarships do not cover everything. Building a personal brand for life is the key. An athlete who learns how to build a strong personal brand in college will carry that skill into any career, whether they go pro, whether they start a business, or whether they step into the corporate world. Starting a business or a personal brand opens doors beyond sports. Let's face it, most athletes won't make it to the pros, but NIL, or name, image, likeness, gives them a platform now to connect with businesses, alumni, and fans who could become employers, partners, or investors later. So teach your student athlete financial literacy very early. Imagine your 19-year-old not just earning income, but also learning to manage contracts, pay taxes, and make smart financial decisions. That's real-world education schools do not teach. I see 3 major shifts every family should be aware of. 1. Bigger collectives and recruiting wars.
What are 3 major shifts you should be aware of that are happening in the name, image, likeness arena?
Pools of money to recruit and keep talents. That means your athlete's opportunities may depend as much on financial backing as on athletic performance. Number 2, the rise of athlete entrepreneurs. Athletes are no longer just signing deals. They are starting businesses. We will see more athletes launching clothing lines, wellness brands, online platforms, all while still in college. The ones who treat themselves like CEOs will come out ahead. Number 3, new rules and legal oversight. Congress is already talking about passing federal name, image, likeness regulations. Expect new guardrails around contracts, taxes, and recruiting to protect athletes, but also to limit what's possible. Name, image, likeness success isn't just about talent on the field. It's about strategy, branding, and protection. If your athlete wants to win in this space, here's what you need to do. Number 1, grow their personal brand. Encourage your athlete to build an authentic online presence, not just highlight reels, but their personality, their story, and their values. Brands want to partner with relatable people, not just stats. Number 2, understand contracts before signing anything. Too many athletes are jumping at the first deal that comes along without realizing they're giving away long-term rights to their name or image. As a business lawyer, IP lawyer, I can't stress this enough. Protect your athlete's brand legally before signing. You can contact me. My information is in the description below. Next, make sure you think long-term, not just quick cash. Yes, a $5,000 deal today sounds really exciting. But what if that same $5,000 deal blocks a $50,000 opportunity next year? You see, there are contracts that will do this, unfortunately. So your family needs to think strategically and not emotionally. Number 4, surround them with the right team. Your athlete does not need a massive entourage, but they do need trustworthy guidance. Perhaps legal guidance, financial guidance, maybe marketing support. Even just one good advisor can make the difference between a small NIL deal and life-changing opportunities. And this is where I can help. I want to work with families like yours to navigate name, image, and likeness contracts, protect your athlete's name, their brand, and help build a clear path toward long-term success. So if you'd like to work together, I would love to learn more about your student athlete. Make sure to check the description below and contact me directly. It's always free to send me an email. So what is the biggest take home of this video? The truth is, name, image, and likeness is the biggest opportunity athletes have ever had outside of going pro. It's not just about the money, it's about freedom, security, and building a brand while doing what they love. The question is, will you and your student athlete take advantage of it? Or will you watch from the sidelines while others run with the ball? If this video opened your eyes, hit like, drop a comment with your questions, or send me an email. It's always free to do so. Make sure to share this video with another parent or another student athlete, because in upcoming videos, I'll be sharing exactly how athletes can build a personal brand that attracts deals and how parents can protect them every step of the way. This is the future of college sports, and the future starts now with you and your student athlete. And don't forget to catch that video right there where I go into more detail about NIL and protecting your brand. Then make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe, and let's dive in.